People ask me all the time, what should I eat on a ketogenic diet? What to get at the store? Is this really keto? If you are also confused and not sure what to eat on ketogenic diet, you are in the right place. Welcome to Beautonic Life, and I am going to start a series of videos about what to eat on a ketogenic diet so you can feel great and enjoy all benefits. The basic idea is super simple and it's all about fresh and real food. Today I will be talking about protein. Next video will be about fat, so stay tuned for the next video. Alright, so let's get started. Meat is low in carbs and has lots of nutrients, so if it's possible, please try to choose 100% grass-fed pasture-raised meat, only because humanly raised animals have more nutrient-dense meat. We can eat variety of meat. I love beef. We can eat poultry, lamb, organ meat. Options are unlimited. I use butcher box and I love butcher box because they provide the very high quality of meat and deliver straight to your door. So they offer grass-fed, grass-finished meat, white-caught seafood. So if you like to try butcher box, I will post the link to them below the video. Next we have seafood and fish. Also here we have a lot of options to eat. My favorite one is salmon, but we can eat white fish, we can eat tuna, we can eat mackerel, sardines, shrimps, clams. As you can see, it's a lot of them and all of them taste delicious. So I also providing a lot of recipes, so if you would like to know what to make with seafood, please check my channel and I will be adding more recipes including fish and seafood. So if it's possible, try to choose white-caught seafood and fish, because everything it's all about our health. Eggs are a great source of protein and are very nutritious. Try to choose pasture raised only because chicken who are raised in nature, they eat bugs, greens, are laying way better eggs. So remember, happy chicken provide healthiest eggs. Thank you so much. This is pretty much it for this video. In the next video I will talk about fat and natural oil, so stay tuned for it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you have any question regarding proteins on ketogenic diet, please comment below the video. Please also subscribe to my channel so you will be able to see my video every week. I have something very exciting to share with you. I created a 4-week keto starter program for you, so you can enjoy ketogenic diet. I just wanted to make it easy for you. So if you want to try my program, I will link it below the video. And this program includes lots of information, especially like for people who don't know how to start it. Everything is there. A lot of tips how to make a ketogenic diet easy. There are lots of recipes, and all you need really to start ketogenic diet with success. Thank you so much for watching my video and see you in the next one. Bye!